How to make your Shopify blog page and posts more engaging and increase your SEO score by embedding helpful and relevant content. With EmbedAny, you can add videos, podcasts, slides, or even documents to your blog. So let's explore how. To embed content widgets inside specific articles, follow these simple steps. In your Shopify dashboard, go to Content and select Blog Posts. Open the blog post you want to add content to. Please copy the link to your content and paste it into your content. Make the link italic and save. EmbedAny will automatically convert that link into a live widget inside your blog post. Now, what if you wanted to add a poster or announcement on your main blog page? This method is great if you want a banner-style embed like a YouTube trailer, event poster, or podcast player that appears on your main blog page, not the individual posts. To add this, follow these steps. Go to your theme editor and from Pages, navigate to the blog page. Add a block and select the EmbedAny widget from the apps. Paste your link in the field on the right and click Save. Now every visitor to your blog page will see the embedded content. With these two methods, you can showcase podcasts, tutorials, product demos, or announcements right in your blog, making your content more interactive and engaging.